Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's video, I'll show you how to play Counter-Strike 2 and 4 3-stretched resolution, step by step. If this video helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more quick guides. Let's get started. First, right-click on your desktop and open NVIDIA Control Panel. Now on the left sidebar, click on Change Resolution. Next, hit Customize mode and then click Create Custom Resolution. Here, set the resolution to something like 1280 by 960 or 1080 by 1080. Like I'm using right now. Your preferred 4 by 3 resolution, it may be 16 by 10 also. Click Test, then save once it works. Still in NVIDIA Control Panel, go to Adjust Desktop Size and Position. Under Scaling, choose Full Screen. Make sure the scaling is performed on GPU, not display. Click Apply to save your settings. Now open CS2. Click the gear icon for settings, go to Video Settings. Scroll down to Resolution and choose your custom 4:3 resolution, like 1440 by 1080. You can find the one 1080 by 1080 at 16:10 ratio, and it will you most stretched resolution and easy for you to aim better. Set display mode to full screen to apply the stretched effect. Now your CS2 should run in stretched 4:3, giving you that classic CSGO look and feel. And that's it! You're now playing CS2 in 4:3 stretched resolution, just like the pros. Let me know in the comments what resolution you prefer. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out my other CS2 performance guides. Thanks for watching 1 Minute IT Shot. See you in the next one.